Hello everyone, and guess what time it is? That's right guys, it is finally tutorial time with Miss Eddie Blue, and I am so excited. So we are going to start off with something simple guys. For today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can turn any ordinary charms into a pair of adorable kawaii earrings. Well, I mean, depending on the charms, they would be kawaii earrings. If they weren't kawaii charms, they would just be regular earrings. But basically, you can just turn any old charms into earrings. It is super simple, and I'm going to show you how. So drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, so first off, I want to let you guys know that the stuff I'm making in this video, well, some of it anyway, is actually for a giveaway that I'm going to be posting this week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I also have like a ton of charms here that I can't wait to show you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for collection videos from me for a long time now, so those are finally going to start, and I'm really excited about that too. We may actually get into showing some of my kawaii charm collection in this video after we make the earrings. We'll see. Anyway, the earrings that we are going to start with are these adorable little aliens. They are little like kawaii aliens. They remind me of like raver styles. They have glitter on them. They are, or in them I should say, they are resin pieces. They are beautiful pastel pink and pastel blue. I absolutely love them. So this is an item that I picked up a while ago as charms, and I'm going to be turning these into earrings. I am going to be giving away a pair in my giveaway, and I am also going to be listing them in my shop. So along with the adorable alien earrings, I am also going to be making a pair of these UGG earrings, which are also an item that I have listed in my shop, but I did recently get some new colors. Hopefully you guys can see everything good there. I just love these earrings so much, you guys. They are adorable. So we are going to be making a pair of those too. So like I said in the beginning, this is just your basic earring making technique. It doesn't necessarily have to be for kawaii earrings or even for resin charms. You can use bezels for this, like I have right here. You can use this type of charm right here, like a metal oil dropped or enamel charm, or you can also use just a regular metal charm like this one over here. So really, the options are endless, guys, and you can make anything. So we are gonna start off with the alien earrings over here. What you're gonna need is 2 pairs of pliers. You can either use 2 of the flat-edged pliers, or you can use 1 of the flat and 1 of the round. Today, I'm gonna be using 2 of the flat, just because that makes it easier. If you guys don't already own these pliers, don't worry, they are super cheap. You can get them at Dollar Tree or many other dollar stores. You can also get them at Michael's and use a 50% coupon, which is also a great idea. I did get mine from Michael's because I planned on making a lot of jewelry, and I have been, but if you're not planning on making a lot, you can get them from the dollar store. There ain't nothing wrong with those ones either. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is take our jump rings. So these are jump rings over here. They are just little silver, what we call findings in the jewelry making community, and basically they are just little loops. You've probably recognized them from your own jewelry that you have at home. So basically you're gonna take your jump ring, hopefully this is focusing, you are gonna hold it. You are gonna find where the opening in it, so each jump ring does have an opening, and you never want to pull them apart like this. So you are gonna find the opening, you are gonna put your pliers on either side of the jump ring, and you are gonna open it, just like so. I'm gonna open another one for you guys and make sure that it's focused so you guys can see how I did that. You never want to open a jump ring in the wrong manner because it will make it into a wonky shape. And once it's been turned into a wonky shape, you can really never get it back into that tight, nice circle again. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure we are focused here. Okay, so I've put this blue piece of cardstock down. I think it's gonna help with the focusing. I've never really had a problem with focusing before, but I guess I've never really shown such tiny items. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to open that jump ring, because like I said, if you open it the wrong way, it goes wonky and it will never go back. So you see how that is? You never pull it apart like this. You always twist your jump ring open. So you see how I have it at both sides, and you go like this. And you open it, okay? And then this is how you're gonna close it. Okay, so open, close, open, close. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna open it back up again. And we are going to take our little alien cabochon. So basically, this is a cabochon right now. It's not a charm yet, it's just a cabochon, but it has had a hole drilled into it, so it has the potential of becoming a charm. So then all we do is take our little loop or jump ring, and we stick it through the little alien hole. Now, as you guys can see, I do have different containers of jump rings because there are different sizes. There's little teeny ones, there's really big ones, so you do have to pick the right size for your project or your earrings, because if the jump ring was too small, it wouldn't fit through some things, and if it was too big, it would just look silly. So there we are, we have our jump ring attached to the alien. Super cute. I already took the liberty of attaching this jump ring. But one thing you've got to remember is that you're always going to need to double the jump ring when you've got an item like this that doesn't have a hook already coming out of it like this one. So when you have something with a drilled hole, you are always going to need 2 jump rings on each side, otherwise your earring will end up facing sideways, and you don't want that. You want your earring facing forward. Okay, so here are the earring findings that I will be using for this tutorial. There are many different styles of earrings. These are the fishhook style. Okay, so now I will show you what I meant before by sideways. So as you can see, the earring goes in your ear like this. So if you were just to attach the one loop, it would attach on this way, and as you can see, it would be sideways. So to make it facing forward, what we do is we attach a second loop. Now, what I always recommend is that your second loop is either a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller than the other loop. You know, you can make it the same size if you want. Actually, you know what? It is completely up to you and your own creativeness. Whatever you want to do, anything can look great. Who am I to tell you what size of jump ring to use? Just make sure, you know, you use the size that fits. So now what we do is we take our second jump ring, and I'm using one that is just a teensy bit smaller. We put it on. We do not close it just yet. We take our earring finding. Then we get a phone call interrupting our whole video because we forgot to put our phone on airplane mode, but that's okay. So where was I? We take our earring finding, we attach it onto the ring like so. Very simple. We take our pliers and we close the jump ring. And there you go. There is our first earring. Very, very simple, and I'll show you guys how fast it can be done. So once again, I'm gonna open this small jump ring right here. I am gonna loop it into the bigger jump ring that I already had attached. I am gonna take our earring. Oh, the other thing to remember is that you put the earring on facing the right way, otherwise your alien would be backwards and nobody would see the pretty glitter. So we take our earring, we slip it easily through the jump ring, we close the jump ring, and our earrings are complete. And honestly, they are so cute, guys. I think I'm gonna have to make a pair for myself too. Okay, so moving on to earring number 2, which are one of my favorite earrings in my shop. I absolutely love them. They're not only one of my favorites in my shop, but they are my favorite to wear. I love these UGG earrings so much, guys, because life is just so UGG sometimes, most of the time. But anyway, they are super cute and they come with these super cute pastel colors. The other awesome thing about them is that they already come with a little eye screw put into them. And you know why that is awesome, guys? That is awesome because they can face forward on the earring without even needing a jump ring. Why is that so awesome? Because jump rings are great, but they do create more length. And sometimes you just want a shorter earring. And with the UGG one, I do like a shorter earring. So now I'm going to show you how you can put an earring together with no jump ring whatsoever. However, of course, your charm does need to have either an eye screw in it or be one of these metal type of charms that does already come with a little loop. Okay, so this one is super simple, guys. It only takes a few seconds. So basically, I have my earring finding right over here. Ooh, Midnight just sat down beside me. Hopefully he doesn't decide to walk in front of the camera. So basically, all you do here is you take the loop. Once again, just like with the jump rings, you never want to pull it open in this direction. You want to, you know, open it this way. So we are going to take this, we are going to open it like so. We are not going to let that little bead fall off. You see that bead right there? Don't let that fall off. Then you are going to take your charm, whatever it may be. You're just going to slide it right onto the loop. You're going to close up your loop and your earring is done. There you go, a super cute kawaii earring. What did it take? Less than a minute? Oh yeah. So yeah, I mean, like, how super simple is that? Of course, the charms are not super cheap, but you know, you can always try to get them when they come on sale. You can make your own. I like making my own as well. If you're into making resin. So now we are making the second earring, and did I just really open this off camera? I think I did. But anyway, I opened up the fishhook earring. Now I am going to put the charm on. Once again, you always make sure your charm is facing the right way so it won't be backwards when your customer or yourself puts it in your ear. And there you go, a beautiful pair of UGG earrings. Now, before I let you guys go today, there is another little project I've been working on that I really wanted to share with you guys. So some of my subscribers will definitely remember about a month ago, or maybe a couple months ago now, one of my amazing subscribers, Serena, sent me the most amazing care package. Oh my goodness, you guys are just so awesome to me, and I love you guys so much, and I just can't believe the letters that I'm getting from you guys, that I inspire you and all of this. I mean, it's not like I've got a million of them, but even just the few that I've gotten have touched me so much. So anyway, Serena also placed an order in my shop. It is an order that I'm going to be shipping out this afternoon. So I am going to be editing this video, so it will already be shipped and on its way by the time you guys see this. But she ordered this little unicorn necklace from my shop. As you guys see, here is another one right here. So as a thank you to Serena for sending me the amazing care package, I don't know, fan mail, happy mail, kawaii mail that she sent me. I just wanted to make her a thank you. So I know that she loves unicorns, but she also loves like the pastel goth / spooky cute aesthetic. So I ended up coming up with this super cute, creepy cute pastel goth bag charm. I think it is so cute, you guys, and I think she is absolutely going to love it. I'm gonna move some of this stuff aside just so I can hold it up and you guys can get a better look at it. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So right here it has like a Sailor Moon wand slash dripping kawaii moon. I absolutely love it. It is pastel, it is resin, it is glitter. So I drilled that hole in it myself to turn it into a charm. I made these dangles here. These are real crystals, so I think she's gonna love that. I also put this other little kawaii wing charm. I think she's gonna love that so much. If I remember correctly, I think she likes Sailor Moon. I could be wrong, but that is why I added the moon. This right here is a fairy because I know she loves unicorns and fairies and everything magical. I don't know, for me, pastel goth is just like purple and black, and I think she might have told me that her favorite, well, I know her favorite color is rainbow, but I think she might have also told me she likes purple. So I did use the purple and the black. I put some other charms here, and of course, or some dangles that I made. I mean, I created a bunch of dangles on this myself and just used some really cool beads. I also put this cross bead right here and some more crystals on there, and then I finished it off with this heart clasp. So I think she is really gonna like it. So I am sending her that as a thank you, and I am also sending her this pair of earrings right here. They match, so she can use this as a bag charm, as a planner charm, anything she wants. Serena, I hope you love it. You are such an amazing person, and you totally deserve it. So the last thing I have to share with you guys in this video is a resin necklace. Well, the necklace isn't finished, but the resin piece is. As you guys can see, we are losing our light, so it might be hard to see you guys, but this is a super shiny mold that I used. So this is another gift for one of my subscribers. Even though it's a shiny mold, I actually may end up putting another coat of top coat or sealer or something on top of this. I just feel like the unicorn area could be a little bit shinier, but if you guys can see it, there is a little pastel unicorn in between the little twin stars. So this right here is for one of my subscribers named Essie. It is actually for her daughter. Not sure if that was supposed to be a surprise, but I will have to email her and let her know I am showing it in this video. So surprise! But anyway, this is a gift for her. She had wanted me to make them necklaces a while ago, some custom necklaces, and I just didn't have the time. So I finally got around the time to making it, and she has honestly been so supportive. There is no way I could charge her. So I am going to be sending this over to Essie and her daughter, and I so hope they like it. So I'm actually probably going to be making this or finishing this, I should say, in a video with you guys. The back is so super beautiful. Look how shiny that is. So I mixed all this resin myself. I made that color, I don't know what it was, with paint or pigments, and I added some Pearl X powder, and I added some glitter. It is so beautiful. I glued on these two bales. So originally, because this is purple and she had wanted purple and pink, originally I was going to use a pink chain, but now I'm thinking it would look kind of cool with like pink on one side and purple on one side. So I want to know what you guys think, and I want to know what Essie thinks. And then we can get back together and finish up this necklace. So basically, here is kind of what the necklace would look like with the pink on one side and the purple on one side. I'm using all gold findings to match the gold glitter in here. These guys are so cute. Oh my goodness. And of course, my signature heart-shaped clasp. So yeah, let me know, guys, what do you think? Purple on one side, pink on the other, or should I just go with the pink? And also, do you think it should be a choker, or do you think it should be a longer necklace? Let me know. Comment below. Okay guys, well it looks like that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. In our next video, we will be completing Essie's necklace and making a couple other necklaces for the giveaway. One of them is going to be this right here. It is going to be a Ouija necklace. So this is going to be the prize for my next giveaway, a Ouija necklace and these awesome Kawaii Raver pastel earrings. Totally love them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the giveaway. Don't forget to click that notification bell, click that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.